Hey guys, we all need to fake the location on our cell phones for specific situations from time to time. Sometimes we need to tell our family and friends via GPS tracker apps that we are currently at home, at work, or school. Sometimes the urge to catch the rarest of Pokemon is so great, but they're too far away. iOS is a closed system, and all the so-called fake GPS location apps are purely screenshot spammers. There's no way for you to truly spoof your iPhone location with an app unless you overcome the complex and unsafe hassle to jailbreak your device. Today, however, I'd love to share with you the iTeleporter Pro, the world's #1 most reliable and easiest to use hardware solution to spoofing the GPS at the system level for any iPhone or iPad. It's done 100% without jailbreaking your device, and no computer is needed. For real-world privacy purposes, we designed it discreetly and made it multifunctional. The device looks and works like a standard lightning splitter to help you connect with 3.5mm headphones and charge your iPhone at the same time. But after you plug it in and you open our companion GPS modifier app, the magic happens. You can move the red pin to anywhere on the earth, press the lock position button, and in a split second you can see the breezing blue circle representing your location on the entire iOS system teleport instantly. The GPS location applies to all of your iPhone apps. Let's check Google Maps. Currently, we are in San Francisco. But how about we go to Los Angeles for some fun? It works. How about we tell our family that we're in New York City? They can verify from the iOS Find Friends app. It works. We can zoom in to teleport to an exact location like your office. As long as you do not pull the device out, the GPS location will stay locked into wherever you choose. If you play GPS-based games like Pokemon Go or Harry Potter Wizards Unite, please do not use illegal tweaked game apps because those will only lead to a permanent ban. Since iTeleporter Pro is a certified system-level GPS spoofer, you will only draw the attention of the developers if you do something silly, such as teleport a very long distance in an impossibly short time. To help you better enjoy the games, our app also has the advanced features of motion control and a virtual joystick. You can get comfortable and then press reset position. Select your moving speed from slow to fast. Later in the game, you can move your character by tilting your iPhone. Don't say no. If you want to pause or rerun the motion control, you can do it by simply turning your iPhone over without switching apps. To use the virtual joystick, you will need to connect to a Wi-Fi hotspot, and then log on the IP address with another phone or computer on the same Wi-Fi to move your location precisely. We first launched this product back in 2015 for iOS 9, and we've since continued updating the hardware and the companion app. Today, it supports from iOS 9 to the latest iOS 12.4 system. Our iTeleporter Pro uses the one and only official Apple-certified Lightning connector. It makes our products the only authentic and reliable GPS spoofing solution available in the market. Every piece of the device is handmade in our lab to make it last, and we work hard to provide users free app updates with every changing OS update. Get it today and start taking control of your location.